With Newground Impact, make your business biodiversity positive. Every business leaves a footprint on nature. The energy you use, the travel and freight, the land you develop, it all adds up. Carbon offsets address emissions, but what about ecosystems, wildlife, the habitats they rely on? Introducing Newground Impact, a monthly subscription that turns your operations into measurable conservation outcomes. Built by one of Australia's leading ecological consultancy, every project is scientifically designed. Your subscription funds habitat restoration, improves ecological condition and supports native species, including koalas. It's simple. Pick your plan, calculate your footprint, then let us make it real. With funded conservation projects, regular updates and a trust mark you can use to show your business is biodiversity positive. Be the business your customers trust to do the right thing by the environment. Newground Impact. From environmental impacts to biodiversity benefits.